Alright, what is going on YouTube? Thought I'd do a little quick unboxing for y'all. This is the 1stPlayer gaming gear mechanical DK5.0 Lite from Newegg. I believe they got this off Newegg for $40 or $39.99 plus taxes, probably looking around $45. This is the red switch option, which is linear and silent. And it is also available in brown, which is tactile and quiet, and it is available in blue, which is tactile and clicky. The keyboard is also available in black for those who may have a different kind of scheme they're going for, but as for their setup, they're wanting white, so they got the white version. This is a full in-keys rollover function. If one of you knows what that means, let me know in the comments below, because I have no clue what that means. Semi-suspended keycaps, water-resistant RGB driver control, 16.8 million RGB, and 87 keys. This is obviously an 87% keyboard. You know, normal keyboard has a little keypad over here in this area, but this is a little more gamer friendly, but also if you're still trying to do some work. Me personally, I prefer the 60%, which you see in the background there. That is a GK6 one. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link in the description for that video. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing, but before we do that, let's just get a little look at the box here. It says Newinvader on the side. Have a little spider here. I don't see what that's for, but that's there. And we have Fingers Love. Take that as how you wish. I don't know what they were going for with that, but it's there. Let's get to the unboxing here. A little peekaboo cord sticking out. Alright, first presentation. Not much going on in the box here, but you know, it is a budget keyboard. I guess it's more comparable to like Apex TKL from SteelSeries. It's like a cheaper version of that. Get this out the box. Alright, let's move that out the way. Alright, get this out the packaging. Got the paperwork here. I'm sure this probably just goes over probably some warranty information, installation, yeah, it just goes over installation, stuff like that, various different languages, and gives you a little layout on the back there. Let's just get to the main attraction here. So, wow, actually the font is pretty nice. I really like the style of that. Let's of course check out the switches. Wow, those actually feel pretty decent for being a budget keyboard. So the downside of this keyboard is these switches are not hot swappable, but you know, it's cheaper than most budget hot swappables, about $20 difference. So you know, just kind of depends if you're wanting to switch switches or not. If not, if you're good with one kind of switch, you know, this is probably more likely the keyboard for you. Let's get a look at the switches here. Actually, got my keycap remover. Alright, so like I said, these are the red linear option. Let's see if we can get that to focus. Oh, there we go. So like I said, this is the red switch option. Not hot swappable, but still a pretty decent switch. If we're comparing it to the keyboard having the back, those have the Gateron reds. Those do seem to be slightly better quality than these, but you know, like I said, this is a budget keyboard, and regardless, still pretty decent switches and have a good feel to them. Let's check out the whole keyboard. Got a little bit of writing here. 1stPlayer DK5.0 Lite. Nothing on the sides. Nothing on the back. Hardwired connection with USB. Check on the back side here. There's actually kickstands. Wow. Usually you don't see that on budget keyboards. You normally just see one size, and that's it. You don't really have adjustability, but this actually has kickstands with rubber feet, which you don't see a lot on budget keyboards. That's pretty nice, so makes things a little more comfortable. Now let's get into the sound test. Alright, now that the sound test is out the way, let's see what RGB modes are available straight out the box. So looking at the paperwork here, looks like to change the color mode you have to hold down FN and then various buttons on the keyboard. Let's get this laid out right here. So factory default is FN and escape. To turn off the RGB is FN and print screen. So let's go back to factory default. Let's do that. FN insert. Okay, we have multicolored flashing mode. This is RGB slowly changing mode. Have wherever you click, it does a little rainbow wave. So let's test that out. Pretty cool. Do this. It's like a raindrop effect, almost like it's raining. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. I wonder if you can slow it down any, because I feel like it's a little too fast. Backlit speed adjustment FN and the arrow keys, which is 6. So with these here, let's turn it down. Maybe I sped it up. Oh no. Let's take it down a notch. I think we may be maxed out. Pretty cool though. I like that effect. Let's see what else there is. Rainbow spin mode, like kind of like a circle spinning around. Let's see here. Here's just kind of like a wave effect. Wherever you click, it kind of goes out from there. And then just kind of like, see if we can focus here. Just kind of like, you know, random colors here and there. I've always kind of liked this effect. It kind of reminds me of almost like a gumball machine. And then there's just a static mode where it's all different colors. I wonder what happens if you type if they're changing. Oh, they do. That's cool. So wherever you type, it changes. So see how this is green here? Now it is yellow/orange. So the RGB is really prominent on this keyboard. It has really nice RGB. In fact, better than the DK5.0 sitting right behind it here. I'm sure this will look really good with the HyperX pudding keycaps. I've done a video on those if you want to check that out. They have those in white and black, so you know, maybe throw some black ones on here, maybe have a little bit of contrast, and then maybe just throw the white ones on and look a lot clean. See what other options there are. Little wave mode where it's like snaking. That's pretty cool. Straight out the box, there are a lot of different effects pre-installed. And then we got wave mode, of course, a classic, pretty much on every keyboard. And then just kind of like a just single press, buttons change colors. That's pretty nice if you're like in an office setting. You're not trying to be, you know, too distracting to the people around you. And then we have like, it looks like a dragon flying. Wow. I don't know how to explain that mode, but that's pretty crazy. And then back to default. I wonder if you can just change the static colors here. Let's see. It's pretty cool. So say you find an effect you like, say, let's see here. Say you like that effect, a little raindrop, or maybe, let's find one that makes more sense. So this here, you can actually change the colors of the effect. So say you find this effect and you like the waviness, you can make it a solid color by doing the color button here, which is cool. I didn't know you could do that. So let's see here, like this here, you can make it certain colors. That's crazy. This thing has so many preset installed. I don't even know if you necessarily need a software. You can pretty much do whatever off the get-go. So on the keyboard there is multimedia functions. You hold down the FN key, you have music, volume up, volume down. Let's test that out. Yep, works like a charm. Alright, pause, play button, skip, forward, stop, home, calculator. I don't know what that symbol is. Yellow. Wow. See, even on the DK5.0, it doesn't look good on camera, but in person, the RGB is so nice on this keyboard. I'm actually very surprised. Got a purple, a light blue, and back to the pink. Alright, so this has been the First player gaming gear DK5.0 Lite from Newegg. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and comment what your favorite feature of this keyboard was, or if you're thinking about getting this. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. I really appreciate all you guys that do. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.